Number 5, electric current. Number 6, luminous intensity. And number 7, amount of substance, or we can say quantity of matter. These are 7 fundamental quantities. These quantities are completely independent. There is no relation between these quantities. Length and mass, there is no relation. We cannot represent mass into length. For example, if I say 5 kg is equal to how many meter, the question is completely arbitrary. There is no relation between kilogram and meter, because kilogram is the unit of fundamental quantity mass and meter is the unit of length, and there is no relation between mass and length, so there is no relation between kilogram and meter also. Similarly, there will be no relation between time and length. If I ask 5 minutes is equal to how many meter, you cannot express minutes into meter because they are independent quantities. They cannot be expressed in terms of each other. So these quantities are called fundamental quantities, which are completely independent and which cannot be expressed in terms of each other. Other type of quantities are derived quantities. There are quantities which depends on these fundamental quantities, and these quantities are called derived quantities. So we can say derived quantities are those quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities of length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. So these are the quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities. Are called derived quantities. Example: area, volume, density, speed, acceleration, force, work done, etc. These quantities are derived quantities because area, it can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities. Similarly, volume, density, speed, acceleration, all these quantities can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities of length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. For example, what is area? Area is length into breadth. Length is fundamental quantity. Breadth is also length. For example, if I take a rectangle, so if I name it A, B, C, D, then in this rectangle we say AB is the length and BC is the breadth. Now suppose if I cut a small part of this rectangle, this much part, and now if we consider this small part, it is also rectangle. Now this breadth will be called the length and this will be called our breadth. So breadth, height, width, thickness, etc. They are basically length, which are expressed in meter. So both are fundamentally they are length. So area, which can be expressed in terms of length, is a derived quantity. Density, mass upon volume. Mass upon volume is length into breadth into height. Length, fundamental breadth and height, they are also basically fundamentally they are length. So this density also depends on fundamental quantity of mass and length. And let's take another example, speed. Speed is distance upon time. Distance is length of the path divided by time. So speed depends on fundamental quantity length and time. So it is a derived quantity.